Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be installing this wonderful wig from AliPearl hair. I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that came with the wig. Excuse me. So of course it came with the wig cap, little bag, this edge scarf thing, 2 pairs of lashes, a edge brush, and then an elastic band. I needed a new one, so thank you, AliPearl. Didn't even have to do a lot of plucking. Didn't even have to do a lot of plucking, but everything just bleached and just look at this, y'all. I gotta get up here. This is for TikTok purposes. So now, ooh, it looks amazing. Okay, so I already cut the extra lace around the ears. I'm just trying to line the hairline up with my bald cap just to make sure my wig doesn't come down to form. I think this is great. Hold on. I think this is great. What I'm gonna do, so I'm about to flip this back and then just go straight in with my glue. That was glue application, and you don't want to like go to this step until your glue has dried white. Mine has, so move everything literally right on forward into the glue. And I'm gonna do this side first because this side seemed a little easier. Yep, this side just laid right into it, and I'm gonna use my hands. Like, that's not even her covers. Moving on along, I'm going to lay this side. Make sure. Boom. And now I'm going to use the teeth of my comb. I'm not going to like press it just yet. Well, not a firm press and hold. I want to make sure. That's because I use that even spray. I shouldn't have did that. But you want to comb this into the glue. And I really like how this wig is already like jet black. Y'all already did it. Y'all know the girls like the bust down middle parts jet blacks. Like, thank you, AliPearl. Thank you. I'm gonna give it a firm press and hold. Get everything in place. So for a couple of minutes before I come back and cut the lace. So do the same, let your lace melt, and you know, I don't know, go walk around the house, go clean up, think about how you kind of like want to style your hair. This is the time to kind of be thinking about that while we let the lace melt. So BRB. All right, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover because y'all already know when I go silent, like it's just getting real and the concentration is real. So what you see me doing on this part right here is I am pulling out my baby hairs. This part is totally up to you, just depending on how thick and just how dramatic you want your baby hairs. If you're going for like the natural look, I probably wouldn't part it as thick. But I mean, if you're going for like the dramatic look, I would pull out like just just what you see me doing right there. Like, that's enough. But just don't make the baby hairs be too thick. And if you have to like pluck them sometimes, like, that's okay too. But just pull the baby hairs out to your liking, and then just go ahead and get ready to style your hair. Okay, so I've did all the extra plucking that I wanted to do, and I'm about to just take my wide tooth comb, not your rat tail comb, because you don't want to like tear out the hair, you just want to rake it out. So use your wide tooth comb for this part. And when you're always like combing out your hair from plucking, just use a wide tooth comb too. Cause like you already gotta like comb through the hair to kind of get out what you plucked, and you don't wanna really tear out any hair that you don't have to. So, alright, I think I could get this little section right up in there, and then I can be done. Yeah, much better. So like, yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to be like molding my hairline. I'm just gonna be using like my edge control, only because I don't have a wax stick, but my edge control is like waxy, so I'm gonna like use that to set my hairline. Ooh, do y'all see it? Oh. And like just a little bit, because you just want to get it like on the beginning part, like at the root, so we can really set that in. Yep, just like that. And as I go back over it, I'm gonna bring my elastic band over that. Same thing. Turn this off. Yeah, because I'm not gonna need this no more, I don't think. But oh, this is way longer than a 24. Like, you mean to tell me this is 24? This is definitely giving me 26. Like, baby. Okay, it's kind of like a stopping point. Nobody wants their baby hairs like on their brows, so what I typically do is just like cut on a slant and like not touch my brows. Boom. Y'all see how I did it? And then I'm gonna leave this long. So other side, I don't want to pluck anything. If anything, I feel like I could bring out a little piece of baby hair. Right there is good. really shouldn't have cut these this short because I got it curled on, but you want to make sure you curl your baby hairs nice and tight so that like when you go to swoop them, they will naturally swoop. Ooh, I love this, y'all. All right, so what I do when I like wear my hair like this, all wet and curly and stuff, I use this stuff right here. This is the coconut. My hair look really good. All right, but no, this is the coconut oil weightless like hydrating mist. Just go crazy with this, you know, and it's definitely going to wet it up, make it look wet, when in fact it's just shiny. Like really go crazy, not too crazy because this shit a little high and like you do want it to last, but I mean y'all get the idea of what I'm saying. Okay, so this is my finished look. I am really excited, really pleased with how this came out. I had to be a little fancy and like just show off my baby hair because this is HD lace, so I just really wanted to, you know, just give a look. I love this wig. Like I said, I don't think this is 24 inches. Like maybe it is, I don't know, but it's really thick. I'm gonna put the link and everything in the description box below. Yeah, I love it. I hope y'all like it too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, definitely subscribe to my channel, and also just check out the other wig install videos that are already on my channel. But yeah, just tell me some looks that y'all want to see, anything y'all want to know, like any looks y'all want to see me do. Definitely just drop it down below in the comments. But y'all, this is giving. I love this. Love it. But okay, that's it for watching, y'all. Thank you. I'll see y'all soon in my next video. Bye.